Hey, this right here, one of the top contenders right here. This also tuned by AMP Sam Miller. I'm whooping all track house. I'm whooping all track house in my Mustang. I ain't scared of no track house. Yeah, AMP, man. Yeah, this tune by Sam Miller, man. He don't play no games, man. Yeah, I'm whooping all track house. I don't even care what they got. They ain't even got a... I don't care what they got. You know, it better not be stopped. It's gonna be hard to beat him. He making a full pass, ain't it?
Say, look out. That Camaro right there, it's gonna be hard to get around that Camaro tonight. I'm telling you right now. Walk that down.
Even that S10 truck?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That S10 truck going. What's up with it, man? How you doing today, man? Y'all all right?
Yeah, everything all right, man.
Already, man. I got a giveaway on my YouTube channel. You just type in Lookout Racing Giveaway. All you got to do is leave a comment. You automatically entered in the giveaway. The giveaway consists of a free shirt, a free hoodie, or a free Summit gift card. And I know you want one of them.
I'm not there right now.
Oh, you don't need it right now? Oh, you already got the money?
Yeah.
Okay. He got his stimulus, y'all. He don't need it. He got his stimulus. I'm waiting on the second one. And he wanted to come to the track, man. He ain't get to put the rest of his shit on. How much horsepower? I don't know how much horsepower I got in the Mustang because last time I tried to dyno it. Oh, I remember this car. Yeah, Super Mike, we got the free giveaway, man. They got action at a hoodie, a t-shirt, and a Summit $50 gift card. Oh, damn, the voice not matching. I hope that help. I'm gonna have to restart it. Okay. I don't know how much horsepower I got because when I put it on the dyno, I ran out of fuel and I had to get a new Hellcat pump and some new injectors. Right lane for the win. I'm whooping all Hondas, all Track Hawks. I don't care about that. That ain't scaring me. Ain't nothing you gonna say to scare me. All I need to know is what you didn't rebuild is how much it weighed. It weighed 4,000 pounds. My shit around the 3,000 pound range. So I ain't scared of you. I don't care what you do. Probably close to 5,000 pounds. He said because he got the motor rebuilt. I'm trying to get my shit to run like student driver, man. What's up, man? Tell him, man. Shout out. Give him a shout out one time for the one time, man.
That's good, baby. You know what I'm talking about? Getting it in.
Getting it in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Already. Honda be gutted, weigh like 2,500 pounds and ain't got that much horsepower though. That's why I ain't scared of them. I ain't seen no Honda whoop student drive them here. I'm trying to get my shit to run like that, so that leaves me no fear. No fear. Oh deal. I'm all the way down for that. Trade your hoodie for hoodie. I do not mind representing nobody, man. I don't mind representing, man. Huh? I don't even know. They need to start it, though. Here come the Home Depot truck with the popcorn mufflers, man. Tickle Fits, glad to see you here, baby, man. Tickle Fits is in the building. Yeah, man, he wasn't doing nothing. He was on the motor anyway, y'all. My bad, Zach. My bad. Oh, he's gonna kill this. Yeah, man, I'm doing good today, Tickle Fix. I got my boy Super Mike back in the building, man. He been missing for a month. I still got about one more hoodie, man. 2X. What's up with it, man? Oh shit, you run with Demonology. The people that build Demonology car do my car too. Well, you steady trying to find something to scare me. Now that kind of almost scared me right there. That comment kind of almost scared me. That means you might know something. Damn. I might be messing up. Hold on now. I'm gonna have to do my research on you. But you still too heavy. Do you still drive it on the street? I really want to stay in the real street car class. If I ain't never seen you on the street, I damn near don't want all that. I ain't never getting on no trailer. All that trailer park shit, I ain't with it. Driving in a street car. Oh, damn.